Are you ready to unleash your creativity, but stuck choosing the perfect sewing machine? Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to upgrade your current setup, Singer has some incredible options that won't break the bank. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Singer sewing machines that'll take your projects from basic to brilliant. Make sure to check out all the Amazon links in the description box below. Let's dive in. At number 5, the Singer Simple 3337 proves that you don't need complexity to create beautiful projects. This lightweight powerhouse weighs just 11 pounds, making it incredibly portable for taking to classes or moving between rooms without any hassle whatsoever. The 29 built-in stitches provide enough variety for most common sewing projects, from basic hemming to decorative touches on clothing and home decor items. The automatic needle threader, it saves your eyesight and patience, eliminating one of the most frustrating aspects that you typically face when starting out. What really sets this machine apart is its intuitive dial control system that makes stitch selection incredibly straightforward and stress-free. You simply turn the dial to your desired stitch, and you're ready to sew, without navigating complicated digital menus or confusing button combinations. The drop-in bobbin system with clear cover lets you monitor thread supply at a glance, preventing those annoying moments when you run out mid-seam. The free arm design makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs surprisingly easy, while the one-step buttonhole feature produces professional-looking results every single time. Now, the main limitation here is the plastic internal frame, which doesn't provide the same durability as metal frames found in higher-end models. However, for you, as a beginner or occasional sewer working with light to medium fabrics, this machine delivers outstanding performance at an incredibly accessible price point. Coming in at number 4, the Singer 7258 Stylist Award 2 is where you, as a beginner, meet intermediate capabilities without feeling overwhelmed by too many options. This computerized beauty features 100 built-in stitches, giving you serious creative freedom to experiment with different projects and techniques. The LCD screen makes stitch selection simple and visual, showing you exactly what you're choosing before you start sewing each seam. 76 decorative stitches open up endless possibilities for you to embellish clothing, quilts, and home decor projects with professional-looking details that'll impress everyone. This machine comes packed with 10 presser feet right out of the box, meaning you won't need to buy additional accessories immediately. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin work together seamlessly, making setup and threading incredibly quick so you spend more time actually sewing. The extension table is perfect for your quilting projects or working with larger pieces of fabric that need extra support and workspace. The free arm design tackles circular items like sleeves and cuffs with ease while maintaining consistent stitch quality throughout your entire project. One thing you'll want to consider: the LCD screen isn't backlit, which can make visibility challenging for you in low-light conditions or dimmer sewing spaces. Despite this minor drawback, the 7258 strikes an excellent balance between features and usability, making it ideal for you if you're ready to expand your skills beyond absolute basics. At number 3, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 brings serious muscle to your sewing room without requiring a serious investment. This machine sews at an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, meaning you'll finish your projects faster and spend less time on repetitive seams and long straight stitches. The heavy-duty metal frame provides rock-solid stability even when you're working at top speed, eliminating vibration and ensuring consistent stitch quality throughout your project. That 60% stronger motor, it powers through denim, canvas, and multiple fabrics like butter, making it perfect for your practical projects like bags and home decor. 23 built-in stitches cover all your essential needs from basic construction to decorative touches, while the automatic needle threader gets you sewing quickly. The stainless steel bed plate provides a smooth, durable surface that helps your fabric glide effortlessly, reducing drag and improving overall stitch quality significantly. The top drop-in bobbin system with clear cover makes thread monitoring easy for you, while the free arm design handles circular sewing tasks beautifully. The one-step buttonhole feature creates professional results consistently, and the machine handles everything you throw at it, from lightweight cottons to heavy upholstery fabrics, with confidence. The trade-off for all this power is slightly louder operation compared to lighter-duty machines, which might be noticeable to you in quiet environments. However, if you're tackling heavy fabrics regularly or sewing items that need durability, like bags and home furnishings, this workhorse delivers exceptional value and performance. Taking the silver medal at number 2, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 steps up the game with 110 stitch applications that expand your creative possibilities significantly. Like its sibling, the 4423, this machine powers through thick fabrics at 1,100 stitches per minute with impressive ease and consistency. 32 built-in stitches give you more variety than the 4423, including additional decorative options and utility stitches for your specialized projects. The heavy-duty metal frame and powerful motor combination mean that you can confidently tackle everything from lightweight silk to heavy leather without skipping a beat. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system streamline your workflow, getting you from idea to finished project faster than ever before. The stainless steel bedplate ensures smooth fabric feeding, and the extra-high presser foot lift accommodates your bulky fabrics and multiple layers without struggling or jamming. This machine includes more presser feet and accessories than the 4423, giving you additional versatility right out of the box without extra purchases. The free arm design and one-step buttonhole function maintain the user-friendly features that make Singer machines so popular with you and sewers worldwide. One consideration for you: the weight. This sturdy construction makes it less portable than lighter machines, weighing around 30 pounds fully assembled. But if you're setting up a dedicated sewing space and need a machine that handles both delicate and heavy-duty projects with equal skill, the 4452 absolutely delivers. And claiming the top spot, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is simply the most versatile and feature-packed machine in the Singer lineup today. With 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications, your creative possibilities are virtually endless for any project you can imagine. 5 alphanumeric fonts let you add personalized monogramming and text to your projects, taking your creations from homemade to custom professional quality. The computerized LCD touchscreen makes navigating this extensive stitch library surprisingly enjoyable for you, with easy editing and customization options available instantly. 13 one-step buttonhole styles give you professional finishing options for everything from delicate blouses to heavy coats and jackets. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system maintain user-friendly convenience despite the advanced features, while excellent work lighting illuminates your stitching area perfectly. The extension table provides crucial workspace for your quilting and large projects, and the included hard carrying case protect your investment during storage or transport. This machine handles everything you work with, from lightweight silks to heavy home decor fabrics, with consistent precision and beautiful results every time. Now, the learning curve is steeper than simpler machines, which might feel overwhelming initially if you're an absolute beginner just starting your sewing journey. However, if you're serious about sewing and want a machine that grows with your skills for years, the Quantum Stylist 9960 represents an outstanding investment in your creative future. Thanks for watching our countdown of the best Singer sewing machines available today. Remember to check those Amazon links in the description box to get the best deals. Happy sewing, and see you next time.